Assume that a randomly selected subject is given a bone density test. Those test scores are normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Draw a graph and then find the probability of a bone density test score which is greater than negative 3.84. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing we're going to do is draw our bell curve. So here is our bell curve with a mean of 0. Okay, so we're looking at to find the probability of a bone density test score that's greater than negative 3.84. So we know it's to the left of 0. So that means somewhere around here, we'll just denote that is negative 3.84. So that's going to represent our z-score. So let's go ahead and then put that there, and then we're going to shade everything, okay, to the right of that, since we're trying to find that it's greater than. So we're looking for everything that's to the right of this value, and that's going to represent our probability. So in step 2, we're looking for the probability of when the z-score is greater than or equal to negative 3.84, and we want to find out what is that area. So let's open this up into StatCrunch. So here's StatCrunch. We're going to go to Stat, select Calculators, and then go all the way down to Normal. Okay, and so we want to make sure that we are well, first of all, we know the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1, and then we want to find the area that's to the right of that value, so we need to change the direction of the probability to be greater than or equal to, and then we're going to put in our z-score of negative 3.84, and then select Compute, and now it's going to give us our area. So let's go ahead and do that. So we get an area, or a probability, of 0.9999, okay, which is pretty close to 1. So therefore there is 0.9999. Now let's go ahead and answer our questions. Okay, so which one represents the sketched region? Well, it's going to be this one, because this one is negative 3.84 and everything is shaded to the right. So we know it's B. Okay, and then we found that the probability of a bone density score that's greater than negative 3.84 is 0.9999. And there is our answer.